In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Street Fighter 6 on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Street Fighter 6 on your PC. So in that case, you have to first of all open up a browser, and to install the game, you have to install Steam first of all. Only through Steam you could go ahead and access the following game. So on the search box, go ahead and type in Steam or go ahead and type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. In my case, I happen to already install and create my account. The installation process is very simple. Just go ahead and press the install Steam button, and it's going to provide you with the instructions on how you can do it. So basically follow the instructions, and you have successfully installed the game. Likewise, as you're done installing the game, you have to create your account. When you're done creating your account, go to stores from the top, and then it's going to take you to stores section. You can also go to your store, or just go ahead and press on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for. So that is Street Fighter 6. When you locate the game, go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info section where you can go ahead and read out all of these, and then you can go ahead and press on download, or maybe you could go ahead and buy the game. So press on add to cart if you wish to proceed with a checkout method. So click on view my card and then enter in your payment details, and you could go ahead and continue to checkout. So after you're done buying the game, you'll be able to download and install Street Fighter 6 on a PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.